dreams, let them wait, or let them just die quietly. At least, your relatives can still brag, "Arey, my nephew is taking the traditional pathway. Very safe." I mean, NCUK does offer you 70+ universities worldwide after completing International Foundation Year here at MI Pathways. But who cares when you get to cry over past papers for 2 whole years? And yes, after the exam, gamble everything on your moody examiner. Why take a guaranteed seat just because you can? Why skip IELTS, labs, and stress when you can pay, fail, and repeat? Cause when people will see you, they will clearly call it hard work. Keep suffering in silence. Keep telling yourself slow plus painful is respectable. Keep your uncle's ego happy. Or do the smart thing and join NCUK IFY at MI Pathways. Your choice. We will be here when you're tired of all the drama.